Merry Christmas! We are going to be learning Oh Holy Night, which is such a beautiful and iconic Christmas song. And it is one of those songs that there's a lot of different ways that you can play it, and it's going to sound awesome. So what you're going to have here is a lead sheet, so a notated melody with chords. And I'm going to give you sort of two ways that you can play this. We're going to walk through the chord structure first, and then I'll show you how you can incorporate the melody. So in my accompaniment version, you know, everybody's gathering around the tree, it's Christmas, they want to have a sing-along. I'm going to just play these beautiful arpeggios, and because of the 6/8 time, they fit so well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And already you can feel it. So our first chord is G. So I'm going to let my right hand do the work, and I'm just going to do octaves or root notes in my left. So watch this. Oh, holy. Now the next chord you see has a G over B. So this stays, and the left hand's going to go boom up to B. Night. And now we change to a C chord, so I'm going to actually move these two fingers here. The notes of a C chord are C, E, and G, and look at, I've got C, E, and G. It's just an inverted version of that. So I could have gone here, but because I was already on G, I want to keep it easy, I'm going to go here. So it'll look like this. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly, now back to G, shining, it is the night of our, okay, now we have to go to D. So I'm going to actually move everybody to a D. So it's a big 4-note chord or arpeggio, however you want to look at it. Saviors, now back to G. Birth, and another measure of that. Repeat. Long lay the world, and here's our C, in sin and error pining, till he, here it changes. So we've got a B minor now. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to just do a root position, and this is going to sound like this. So we need B, D, and F sharp. Peers and the, now we need an F sharp chord. So F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. So felt it's back to B minor. Word. Okay, D, a thrill of hope. Here's a G, it's inverted. And back to D, for yonder breaks. G, a new and glorious morn. Okay, now it's the chorus. So we're going to go to E minor. Easiest way to get there, we're going to go, here's E, here's G. We're in E minor. E, G, B with E on top. And again, just octaves here. Fall on your, we need a B minor, so right here, root position. Knees, A minor. Oh, here, it's inverted. So we've got A, C, and E, but I'm playing it in this order, C, E, A. Hear the angel voice says E minor. Now, this is really fun. I love how this lifts the song. So we've got a D over F sharp. So you can play any variation of the D chord, up or down, whatever you like, as long as you've got that F sharp in the bass. So from the E minor, voices all night, and then G, C. This is great arpeggio practice. Here's an inverted G, G over B, and D, G, inverted C, G, D, and ending on G. So that's how you can play the accompaniment of the song. Now, the really cool thing is you've got the melody notated. So if you want to play this as a cover or have the melody played, you're going to switch roles between the hands. So now your left hand can play these broken chords, and you can follow along with the melody in your right hand. So it'll sound like this. And get that inverted G, so you have the B on the bass. Combination of those chord notes in your left hand. You know, you might get bored of just doing You could do rolling triads like this. There's that inversion. So that's 3 ways to play it, and the combinations are really limitless. You can make this your own by using whatever combination of skills that you like. It really helps you to build your technique because we've got those broken chords, those arpeggios, we've got chord inversions, so you get to work on technique on an awesome holiday song. Okay, comment below and let me know your favorite way to play this. Do you like to play it using the chords? Do you like to read the notes? What's your favorite way? I'd love to hear. Merry Christmas and have fun playing this.
Oh, holy night, the stars